Hello everyone, I'm Steve Savant, host of the Business Insurance Zone, and with me today is Peggy Mace, Chief Operational Officer of Outlook Life, one of the most premier direct-to-the-public life insurance web agencies in the United States. I have to say, Peg, I'm really excited to talk about something today because generally I think about a life insurance application and I just want to go to sleep. I'm so sorry to say. And our clients, when they look at the size of these applications, it seems so lengthy and wordy and all the legal language. But you have made the process at Outlook Life and streamlined this and put up really good guardrails for our clients. Talk a little bit about that.
Yes, we do offer several different ways of filling out the application. Some carriers only offer the long app, but we'll go fill out the whole thing with you on the phone if you like. It goes so much faster because a lot of those pages really have nothing that you have to fill out, and the information is repetitive. So we can do it that way. Some companies will offer a signature that is digital. So we can just get you an application with minimal information. They'll call you and then they will sign it with you on the phone. And then the last option is one that doesn't even need an application. You do the whole thing over the phone. And that one is actually issued right after you get done with the conversation.
So in certain circumstances, you could actually, because it's not available for everything, but certain circumstances, you can actually do a voice application. Is that what I'm hearing?
Yes, and have it within 15 minutes.
And you have an issued policy?
Exactly, yes.
I'm sorry, that to me is brand new. That's an anomaly in the application process. Now, when you, I like the fact that you're going to be there and you have huge staff to go ahead and walk people through the application process. And I love what you said earlier. I'm going to take out the pieces that are not relevant, because when you get in a life application, it includes every possible variation of what I might have to address with a client. But most clients don't need certain pieces of that application. So I like the point that you have already went through that, pulled that part of it, and then just only addressed, and especially how repetitive our business is, you've actually went a step further than that and said, hey, when we do an application, if there's repetitive issues, we're not going to ask you again. We already have it. That cuts these application times. If you did a full application, how long would it take then? A to Z. I'm the normal applicant.
Oh, probably 10 minutes. It just depends on
a full application.
Yes, if you have your driver's license number handy and your doctor's. I do want to say that we always email or fax or mail the completed pages to the client, even the ones that we don't cover on the phone. We definitely want them to have their own application.
Well, now you brought up one thing that I just want to do to expedite clients coming onto your website, to kind of expedite the process.
Right.
We are going to need your driver's license.
Yes.
We're going to need your physicians, their addresses and their phone numbers.
Right.
And we're also going to need any medication or scripts that you're taking.
Yes.
Anything else you want to add to that?
Well, I will add that with no exam policies, you don't even need that. So it's only with the longer medically underwritten policies that you even need that. Some don't even ask your driver's license, but we can tell you when we get on the phone with you or email you what you need to give us.
Well, if people watching our little spot here are curious, what's your website?
It's www.outlooklife.com.
Well, thanks, Peg. That's great information, and I really enjoy the ability of doing an application and you doing such a great job of making it painless.
Yes.
Thanks.
Thank you.